Hi, my name is Bill Klein, and I am the Associate Director of the Behavioral Research Program at the National Cancer Institute.
And I'm Annette Kaufman. I'm a Program Director in the Tobacco Control Research Branch in the Behavioral Research Program at NCI.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Lynne Padgett, and I'm a Program Director also in the Basic Biobehavioral and Psychological Sciences Branch of the Behavioral Research Program at NCI.
We have lots of names and lots of acronyms, but more importantly, we have lots of great projects and great resources at the National Cancer Institute. So for example, we do a lot of work in developing tools for researchers, such as our Team Science Toolkit for people who do work in teams. We have something called the Grid-Enabled Measures Project that Lynn will tell us about in a moment. We have multiple data sources, such as the Health Information National Trend Survey that you'll hear about as well. But we do everything we can to try to support researchers, in addition to actually giving them funding for doing their own work. So I'm going to turn it over to Annette.
Terrific. I'll just say a few words about the Health Information National Trend Survey, or HINTS as we call it in BRP. And the HINTS survey has been running now since 2003. We're currently running 4 cycles of HINTS, and each cycle focuses on cancer communication or health communication and understanding communication and cancer prevention behaviors. And HINTS is on the street right now. The first cycle of data is publicly available for use by academic institutions and the public.
And so that's an example of collecting data. We also want to make it possible to collect measures together and collect data sets together, and that's GEM. So I'm going to have Lynn say a little bit about that.
Hey, thanks, Bill. GEM stands for Grid-Enabled Measures, and we refer to it by its acronym, GEM. It's a wiki-based database that's a social networking application. So researchers and clinicians and the public can go on GEM and access measures under a variety of different domains. They can both look up the measure, see the measure if it's publicly available, provide ratings, and read others' ratings if they've used it before. We like to think of GEM as a combination of Wikipedia and TripAdvisor. So it's a resource there for everyone to use.
And we also support a lot of extramural groups who consult with us and collaborate with us on a bunch of different projects. One of them is called and here's another acronym, CASPR, the Cognitive, Affective, and Social Processes and Health Research Group, largely composed of psychologists who do research related to risk communication, risk perception, health behavior, health intervention, and they work with us on a lot of projects. We also have the Pathways group, which is highlighted on our poster over here. The Pathways Network is a group that looks at pathways linking stress with cancer outcomes, and lots of psychologists and also other behavioral scientists who study mechanisms, physiological mechanisms that link stress with cancer. So we hope that you will look at our website and check us out. Call us if you have questions about the work we do and the work we support.